We are doing 22 kilometers of roads in Naikuru. What we are doing is upgrading those roads to bitumen standards. We are covering Miriman area, this area, industrial area, and targeting to connect institutions and industries. The project cost is around 1.98 billion Kenya shillings, and I've said covering 22 kilometers. In the whole of Kenya, we are spending around 10 billion shillings to upgrade roads in other urban centers. And some of them is Lamu County. We are doing some roads in Mokoe. Many counties are setting up their own economies, their own county headquarters, their own developments. And as national government, we are targeting to assist those county governments in establishing the urban areas, which is going to accommodate the people who are moving from the rural areas to the urban areas. The project is expected to be completed by November 2019, and after that, the contractor will remain on the ground for 3 years to maintain those roads. And that is part of the contract we have signed with the contractor.